In this video, we will guide you on how to buy FXAIX, the Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund, in your Roth IRA account on Fidelity. First, ensure you have a Fidelity account set up and funded. A Roth IRA is a great way to invest for retirement since your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab and then select Roth IRA from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Roth IRA dashboard where you can monitor your investments and performance. Now, locate the search bar at the top of the page, type in FXAIX, and click on the fund when it appears in the search results. This will bring you to the fund's overview page where you can review important information such as performance history and expense ratios. But to proceed with purchasing FXAIX, find the Buy button on the fund's overview page. Click it to enter the order screen. Specify the amount you wish to invest, review your order, and confirm your transaction. Once completed, FXAIX will be added to your Roth IRA portfolio. That's it. You are now invested in FXAIX within your Fidelity Roth IRA. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more investment tips.